YouTube, how y'all doing today? But as you can see, your boy back with another Jordan video. And today we got the infamous Air Jordan 5 Retro, black, cool gray, white, known as the Oreos, or better yet, MoonLight. They're going by a new name now. But let's check out the box, guys. As you can see, white Jumpman with the white Air Jordan. Got the black and white Oreo speckling on the bottom. On top, white Jumpman. This side, same thing. Back side, blank. But let's open up the lid. Ooh, as you can see, got that speckling paper. Go with the Oreo. Woo! As you can see, guys. Sheesh. Alrighty, let's take them out. Let's see what we're working with. We guys, yes sir. As you can see, we got them right here outside the box. 2021 Jordan 5 MoonLight, formerly known as Oreo. Give you guys a quick 360 on the shoe. Very, very, very clean shoe. What you guys think? I had these when they first originally released, so you know I had to grab them again. But with me saying that, you know, I gotta keep this pair. You know, I was always asked, did you guys grab them? If you did, you gonna keep them or you gonna get rid of them? You know, guys. But let's drop one of these out the way. And here we go. Starting with the tongue, you know, nice and thick, like a normal 5. Got the cool gray Jumpman, the black, thick, padded tongue. See, base lock, black. Coming down, we got the gummy mesh, black laces, coming down with that beautiful, beautiful material. As you can see, into the front, we got the white with the black stitching. Moving on to the side, black lace holders, more that gummy netting, nice and soft. Come over here, we got that black and white Oreo speckle shark tooth. See that icy bottom peeking through. Coming to the air bubble unit, clear with the white on the inside. Coming to the back, you know, nice fat bubbles. Fat bubbles with the white Jumpman. Coming to the inside, you know, got the Air Jordan stamp right up the nerve. Then coming to the inside, as you can kinda see in there, cardboard shoe tree with the black with the white Jumpman in there. Pretty much same on this side. But yeah, guys, these are so iconic and clean. You can't hate on these. It's a simple black and white shoe. And then you got that, ooh, that super clear, icy blue bottom. Yes, that's my favorite part. Of course, only when they're clean. When they start to get yellow, oh, nasty. But yes, sir, look at that blue bottom. That's so clean. You guys look at the other one. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much, you know, it for this video. Nice, quick, short, sweet, straight to the point. Oh, is that a flaw right there? You guys see it live on camera. Oh, man. But other than that little flaw right there, what you guys think? Pretty clean shoe. I like them overall. But yeah, guys, till next time.